when you are when you are transferring a large customer file from one e-commerce system to another. For instance, in my project, I was transferring a large customer file of about 20,000 from one CMS, which was Magento, into Shopify. And I had already created some videos showing you how to do that. But within Shopify, I wanted to know how many customers are now within the customer list, because there really wasn't a clear way. It wasn't showing the number in the back end, and I really just wanted to be sure that those numbers are correct, and that the numbers are what I know it should be. And so the way to do that is to, on your Shopify store, just go to the URL and then append this prefix to it. So what we're doing here, we're adding /admin /customers /count.json. And when we do that to our Shopify store, it then shows how many customers are in there. And here is 146. So now I know that this is a number that's currently there. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will answer them. Feel free to reach me via my website, and I will be able to answer your questions more directly as it relates to Shopify and e-commerce platforms.